I guess one of the things that makes us strong and resilient is our strong faith in the divine creator, no? And of course, ayoko namang merong ma-outcast, no? Maaring yung iba sa inyo hindi naniniwala sa Diyos. At hindi naman po ibig sabihin nun masama yun, no? We respect all perspectives, especially when it comes to spirituality. But probably us as a nation, especially that we are dominantly a Catholic country, nasa pundasyon ng kultura natin na may paniniwala tayo sa greater power. Ayoko nang sabihin Diyos. Basta greater power, no? Alam natin na bilang tao, hindi natin kontrolado ang lahat ng sitwasyon. Kaya nananampalataya tayo that there's a greater power that can save us, that can bless us, that can help us go through our challenges. At napakalaking factor nun, Tala, para tayo ay, in a way, no, makalampas sa mga mabibigat na problema katulad nitong hinaharap natin ngayon. No? Correct.